hacks. This life hack today is a super yummy one, especially in the summer. So, and also money saving too. So I discovered this drink at Starbucks, and I believe the secret thing it's called is, I heard it's called a Legally Blonde, which I actually love. And I'm not actually normally a tea person, but it's made with tea, and it's also lower cal, and it's keto if anybody is doing keto out there, and it's super refreshing and delicious. So what I did is I figured out how to make it at home. So not a $5 drink at Starbucks, and also super easy. So what I did was, first I went to Target and I got this Tazo Iced Passion Tea. They have regular, you can do that. They're the small tea bags, and you can put like 4 in here. Or you can just get one big tea bag, which I really like. So that's actually the same brand as Starbucks uses, because Starbucks owns them. Just a little fun fact. So I boiled 4 cups of hot water, or 4 cups of water. Then it was hot after I boiled it, Liz. So then I steeped this tea bag for a while. I don't know, 20 minutes. So there's my beautiful passion tea. And so I have 4 cups of the hot water tea, and then I have about 4 cups of really cold water. I put like a hunk of ice and some filtered water in there. And then I got this sucralose, which is also Splenda. You can use stevia. So what I like to do is, and this is making it like no calorie if you drink it without the cream in it, as you see. So I put a cup of this Splenda in there, and I put it in the hot one because it just dissolves better, and you don't have like a gritty tea. It's all dissolved. So once that's all set, then I add the hot tea and Splenda, and then I spill it all over my counter. Yay. So to the cold water and ice. And so now I've got my iced tea. So now you are good to go. You can have this by itself. The other thing is, do half this and half, I use the Simply Lemonade, the light one. And that's a nice low-cal, delicious drink with half lemonade, half tea, or you can just do tea. But this drink is that Legally Blonde drink, so I'm going to make that for you. So what I do, here I've got my Starbucks cup with some ice. So I'm going to put my tea in there. And then I have some Starbucks sugar-free vanilla syrup. And I put 2 pumps of that. And heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream or heavy cream. It has no carbs, so it's good if you're doing keto, and it makes it super creamy. So I just put like a splash of in there. If you do actually go to Starbucks, you can order this. I just recommend saying light cream, because otherwise it'll seriously be white and it'll be really high calorie. So it's adorable. It looks like a little strawberry milkshake, and it's delicious. I don't know anybody who's tried this who doesn't love it, I swear. So heavy cream, sugar-free vanilla, Tazo Passion Tea, and Splenda. That is my tip for today, my life hack. So hope you make the tea, hope you make the drink. After you make it, give me a comment. Let me know that you loved it and it was delicious and yummy, and that you love me and I'm your favorite. And please follow me, Lizzy's Life Hacks. Have a great day.